How to log out from WhatsApp if iPhone is lost. So what we can do is open our WhatsApp in another phone. We'll log in our WhatsApp in a different phone if we have lost our phone. So what we can simply do is we will click on the account itself, and after we click on the account, we will see an option of like delete my account, and we can simply even change our number. So here you can delete your account very easily after adding your number. And what we can do is we can simply click on the change number, and we can change our number by adding our old phone number and new phone number, so that our WhatsApp will be logged out from our phone if the phone is lost. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any question, please comment down below.